In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course with Notebooklm. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where you manage your notebooks, which act like separate workspaces for different projects. For a course, it is helpful to keep everything in one dedicated notebook so your materials and outputs stay organized. Next, create a new notebook by clicking the button that says Create New. After you click it, a pop-up will appear that lets you add content. This is the foundation of your course, because Notebooklm generates its answers and course assets from the sources you provide. Now, upload your sources. In the pop-up, select the type of source you want to add. You can upload PDFs, paste YouTube links, or choose files from your drive. As you add items, they will populate the source panel on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to confirm you've included the core materials you want to teach from, such as reference documents, a syllabus draft, transcripts, or any key readings. The quality of your course depends on the clarity and completeness of these sources. After your sources are loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. This is where you analyze your materials and build your course by asking the right questions. Type a clear question about what you want to create, such as an outline for modules, lesson objectives, or a summary of a specific topic. Notebooklm will respond with an answer that includes clickable citations. Use those citations to verify where information is coming from and to stay accurate and consistent with your source materials. Once you have useful responses, generate course-ready outputs in the Studio panel on the right. Choose Audio Overview to create an audio-style explanation, Slide Deck to produce presentation slides, or Video Overview for a video-oriented summary. These options help you quickly turn your source content into teachable materials. Finally, whenever you receive an answer you want to reuse later, click Save to Note. This helps you collect outlines, scripts, and key explanations in one place so you can assemble them into a complete course that covers everything you need to know.